Good morning, everyone. It is currently 3 a.m. in the morning, and I am up because jet lag is no fun. So, I thought I might as well just get up since I'm not going to obviously be sleeping anymore and just get my day started. So, that's what we're going to do. Okay guys, it's currently 3:15 in the morning. I just showered, changed. I'm now gonna try to get some editing done for about like half an hour, and then I'm gonna get ready to go out because at 4:30 Starbucks opens, and unfortunately I can't do any of my homework because my parents shut off the Wi-Fi and I can't use my computer without the Wi-Fi. They also shut off the cell service too, so I can't like do a hotspot on my phone to make my computer work. I'm also going to try to get this last part done of my homework that I didn't do yesterday because procrastination. Okay, I'm going to get that done. So currently planning to run outdoors. I'm hoping to do about 3 miles today. I have my dog with me and we're about to start. Let's see how this goes. We have our walk break right now and we've gone 2.64 miles and it's been 32 minutes. So we're gonna complete this 4-mile loop and then call it a day. Right, girl? Hi, aren't you adorable? 3.79 miles. I'm just in the parking lot quickly just to try to get 4 miles in.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million in dollars.